Hello, everyone. It really feels great to be here, and thank you so much for the kind words and the honor that I receive right now. As an athlete, we are in constant search of protein, and I'm not a nutritionist. I didn't know a lot of details about all the minute details about nutrition, and yeah, I knew about pistachios. I know it's a skinny nut, and it gives you a lot of protein. But that's about it. But it's also a form of education for me as well to know more about healthy living. So when this opportunity came to me, I was more than happy because we as athletes are in constant search of protein. We have our protein shakes. We do add nut to it. So we add pistachios for more flavor. So it was an organic association as well. So couldn't be more happier to be here. And yeah, very excited for this association. As we got to know as well, we were in the US right now, and we played the T20 World Cup there, and we were really happy to, get a new sport to the country. We were very excited and happy to meet the people of America over there who were very fascinated by the sport and quite intrigued and asking a lot of questions that why is this happening, what is happening, what is the buzz. So really happy and excited for the future as well, as the ambassador spoke as well, that the Olympics is there. That's something that we are very excited that cricket has never been part of the Olympics since the time I've come into cricket, and I've never noticed that. So really looking forward to that and very happy to be here, and hopefully the association goes strong between two countries, and I'm very happy to be a part of it. Thank you so much.
What I would like to say, if our ad campaign can be such wherein we can encourage more kids to shift from fat food to other superfood. As my son himself is a great fan of Jasprit, and I know millions of children in India are his huge fans. So if we can promote a pistachio in a way where we can shift our kids from fast food to the superfood, which we all know is a good and nutritional value and is healthy, so that will be, I think, good.
That's the whole idea.
Yeah, thank you for your kind words. I understand your concern as well. Me being a new father, my son is just 1, so I have not really reached that stage of fast food. But I'm very happy to promote healthy living and healthy eating as well. I feel that in moderation of everything, everything has a special role. Too much of anything can be difficult when you have too much of fast food or too much of unhealthy food. Overall development takes a hit. Your mind is not okay. You just don't feel very happy. So moderation of that is important. So I was very happy to be on board. When I was a kid, I was not very aware, because the awareness of healthy food and healthy eating habits came to us a lot later. When I came into the sport, I realized what is important. So for my son and kids, I will be able to help little earlier and make them understand what is important and what is important for the overall development of a child. So yeah, I think it's very important to spread awareness, and I'm very happy to be a part of it, and I'll absolutely try my best to, spread awareness and give the importance that is important for the development of the child.
I've got a 3-year-old daughter, and let me fast forward for you. It will be the best junk food for her. She'll think she's sinning, but she's not. Or your son, sorry. Yeah.
No, I'm more than happy. He's fond of food. He's just started eating solids, so I'm going to inculcate this as soon as possible.
Had a question for Jasprit. Jasprit, it's been a little more than a couple of months.
If you can stand up, then everybody can see you.
Yeah, it's been little more than a couple of months since you lifted that trophy. How has that break been, and the challenge of playing 10 test matches over the next 3-4 months?
Like I said, we are only taking questions related to pistachios or nutrition or health. No other questions, please. Yes, please.
Excuse me.
Last 2, yes.
So, my question is to Jasprit. Hi, Jasprit. So, how do you add pistachios in your daily life as a professional cricketer? And your some favorite recipes that you go for daily uses, like using the pistachios, maybe?
So, as I said, we are in constant search of protein, and we don't want to, increase our carb intake as well. So this is an organic association that, like I said previously as well, we do have our protein shakes, and we do tend to, spend a lot of energy because we are playing throughout the year. As you're aware, cricket is a sport in this country where we're constantly playing. We very rarely have an occasion of an off season, so we constantly have to be on the go, and diet also plays a crucial role. We add pistachios to our protein shakes, but I'm more than keen on knowing more recipes. I don't have any more recipes, but we use it that way. We use it as a protein source and to add flavor to our protein shakes whenever we get an opportunity to. So if there are more recipes, I'll have to ask him if there's more recipe, more pesto recipes, or any other way to inculcate this. I'm more than happy to take it in my diet and, take it forward and share it with my teammates as well, who will also benefit with it. And a lot of the teammates that I have are always in search of plant protein, so I think this will be a great source for them as well.
Thank you.
I don't think anything can be bigger than that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jasprit. DCM, I'd like to request you one more time on the stage. Also the FAS team, and Jasprit, if you can join us. Unfortunately, like I said, we couldn't get all our ads ready, but just the print campaign that we shot only a week back with Jasprit. So FAS team, please. No, we'll run it through. No, that's good. All right, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So, this is the, you just have to give us the seconds. बस वो ad release हो रहा है. All you have to do is click. These will be our 3 print campaign that will run. The video ads will be shared with you in a